Can you describe the piece Worries of a 30-Year-Old Single Woman Uterus in more detail?
This is a video work to show the relationship between me and my uterus. At that time, I was taking birth control pills every day. And every night I took my birth control pill, I have to swear I don't need a baby. This really was somehow like a most painful words for me to say. And the image I showed at the lecture was a tampon cake with a fake blood. That bloody tampon cake shows the transition from like a purity of with the white tampon cake to the grossness which I felt I had in my life.
So the slide depicts a glass bell jar and cake stand. Can you describe that in a little bit more detail?
Yeah, so I created the tampon cake like a diaper cake when people have baby showers. So I took out that old tampons from the plastic stuff, and then I created the cake, and then I put into that like a cake stand I created with blowing glass process, and I drip the fake blood from the top. So it's like it's kind of beautiful to see it like the tampon get those fake blood and it's like a blooming. So I took a video of, but that video work was not only consist with this cake part, but there's some part I was taking birth control pills and also the inserting the tampon action with a bamboo and then the toilet with a toilet to show how it's discomfortable for me to do this action every time I had period.
A bamboo oh, what's the word? It's like is it a fountain or
Yeah, it's like a Japanese thing. There's like a bamboo stuff in the garden. Like when the bamboo get water, it's just moving like this. So that action was using to insert the tampon. I know it's weird.
No, that's great. Yeah, I saw the video of the bloom that happens, and that's very beautiful. And then it's just ink that's pumped through a pen, or?
Yeah, I use the pack for the, to collecting the blood. How can I say the pack thing at the hospital? Like
Oh,
people,
IV drip.
IV, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
IV.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I tried to get my real blood. I talked to my doctor's friend, but it was not okay to do that for personal purpose, so I couldn't get the real one. But I get that. I created the fake blood to drip it from the IV to drip it on the top of the tampon cake.
What is the process behind the early work in your lecture shown around 4 minutes in?
I did a cold work on the surface of sheet glass with a diamond wheel. So it looked like a surface of water. And because I stamped it in like this shape, so that light got reflected on the backside.